case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard a significant 2001 case, United States v. Spiller, which raised important questions regarding the relevance and admissibility of evidence at trial. The case began when Ernest Spiller was arrested for selling crack cocaine and possessing firearms. Law enforcement had discovered incriminating handwritten ledgers during a search of Spiller's residence. These ledgers contained various drug-related phrases and numerical data. Spiller, who had previous convictions, objected to the admissibility of these ledgers at his trial. He argued they lacked relevance. Despite his objections, the court overruled without further explanation, a move later deemed erroneous. Nonetheless, Spiller was convicted for his crimes, with the court affirming the verdict. On appeal, Spiller targeted his conviction and the sentencing, which involved him allegedly manufacturing 28,000 grams of crack cocaine. A significant concern was the district court's decision to admit the drug ledgers as evidence in Spiller's sentencing. Particularly controversial was the use of Spiller's prior convictions to increase the statutory maximum to 30 years under 21 U.S.C. Section 841, B.1c. Despite Spiller's arguments, the court upheld the lower court's decision. It defended the admission of the ledgers as evidence, deeming them as admissions by a party opponent and not hearsay. Furthermore, the court refuted Spiller's claim that his sentence exceeded his life expectancy as frivolous. Notably, the court criticized the government's prosecution for seeking a significantly larger amount of drugs attributed to Spiller than he was indicted for, arguing it was a ploy for harsher sentencing. The court's stance set a precedent for careful considerations in attributing drug quantities in similar cases. Despite the controversy and decision's debate, United States v. Spiller spotlighted the intricacies of evidence admissibility, sentencing guidelines, and the perils of overzealous prosecution. The case stands as a potent reminder of legal processes and the standards upheld in the face of crime.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of crime.